Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can export your video in Adobe After Effects. So as you can see, I have a random project in my After Effects, and I'll show you how I render this. Simply open the File menu and go to Export. Click on Add to Render Queue. So now you're at Render tab. Here you can select settings of your video like resolution and quality. Then open these settings and select the format of your video. So now select the path where you want to save the video. I'm saving it on my desktop with just a random name. Once all these settings done, click on this render button here. Now guys, you can see it has started rendering my video. Once all done, find the path where you save the video and open it. And that's it guys. So that's how you can render videos in After Effects. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.